This mystery has been driving me crazy for days. I could not work out how to get this crankshaft pulley attachment off without damaging it. I asked all my Jeep friends, I put a short on YouTube asking if any of you people knew, and posted in the Facebook groups and on the Jeep forums. Nothing. Although a lot of you kindly reached out with ideas, nobody actually knew what it was or how to get it off until a user called JAB on the G503 Military Vehicle Message Forums posted a very detailed and helpful reply. I highly recommend that forum, by the way. If you miss old school forums, this is one of the very few military Jeep ones still out there that's very active and well moderated. He pointed out that this is a positive crankshaft clutch for a Ramsey S101-R crankshaft mounted PTO. This is pretty exciting for me, as I actually have a PTO winch. It's not Ramsey, although I do have the PTO attachment somewhere. I have no idea which type of transfer case it actually bolts up to though, so this might be a simpler solution for my M38A1 restoration. I don't know until I put it all together, but it's not a bad part to have. All you have to do to get this off is remove the 4 hex bolts. And I thought there was a roll pin in the top here, because of the way it had broken, it had a slit in it all the way down and it looked just like a roll pin. But actually, when I finally extracted it, it turned out to be a broken off circ. And all you have to do once you've got these 4 out is just tap it with a dead blow and the whole thing will come apart. And what you have inside it is, in here is a bearing, and you can see all the needles have fallen out. I have them saved, but it needs a new bearing for sure. The seal on it is completely gone. But that holds that in there. And then you have this, so it works as a one-way clutch. And it's just as simple as that. And once you've got this off, you just have the standard crank nut there. So it couldn't be simpler once you know.